So we bringing the exhaust to go get fixed at Manchester Muffler, and I took the bed off. So this is definitely how we're bringing it. Yeah. Thanks to Quasi, I could bring it there safely. But yeah, with that being said, let's get it.
Yeah, so this dumbass nigga took the bed off before we. Alright, I'ma just talk to y'all later because he don't want to be quiet with the car.
So let me give y'all a look at the truck, how it's looking right now. I washed it, so you know it's clean as here over at Manchester Muffler, the #1 spot to go.
Hey, and then over here, this dumbass motherfucker lowered his car too low. So guess what? Nigga bent his fender.
Yeah. I don't know if I could zoom in on that or anything.
Just go close to the camera.
The truck is too low. I bent the fender. I f***ed the paint up.
That's you.
All that shit. But yeah, I messed my fender up, guys. So that's something else I'm just gonna have to fix. This vlog won't really be interesting because I'm not doing a lot. We're just doing dumb shit. This is how we got the muffler here. You're one ugly mother. But we gotta get this patched right here to get to the shitty jack. So I'm just patiently sitting, waiting for my car to go in. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I don't know when I'm about to go in, but I'm waiting. Okay, so literally everybody's passing and we're getting so much love from the truck. Like everybody's like giving thumbs up, they're honking, all that good shit. Yes, I do record an iPhone 8. So I'm looking for sponsorships. Somebody sponsor me. Huh? No booze drinking? No booze. Alright. I low-key didn't hear what he said. Oh, no booze drinking. So I'm about to let my son put the truck in for y'all. I love mini trucks, yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah, I'm surprised it's this quiet. When I drove in here,
No, it's when you give it gas, right?
yeah, I had a leak, so I'm actually happy now. So
Just get the bed out of this. Police will fuck with you.
I
And
know.
then you'll be saying me.
Hell yeah.
I'm like, yeah, did I tell you get the fuck bed out of it?
I know. I just
Are you pulling out?
yeah, I can make it though. I should be straight. All right. Exhaust manifold, I'm happy as fuck, bro. All I'm hearing is straight intake. Oh, I'm happy as thank God, nigga. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys hear the exhaust real quick. But if you like the sound of the exhaust, give this video a like right now. Where's the rest of my what? The rest of my truck is at home. Low life. Everything is done. My exhaust is on. The center bearing is good. I'm really not worried about anything right now but to put the bed back on. With that being said, the black bitch is back. I'm ready for summer. I'm ready for the summer meets. All of that. Truck is basically done. Just a little bit of tweaking. I gotta put the bumper on. So after I do those, then everything should be good. The truck slides good. I think the truck is like in perfect shape now, so now that she's back, I'm gonna put my focus towards my Civic now. I got a little bit more stuff that I gotta do to this so that I could get her ready for all the spring shows. So within now and next week, she should be back. Okay guys, this was just a little video of me doing my exhaust on my truck. I hope you guys liked it. I mean, not all the time we're gonna be getting our hands dirty, but I hope you guys like this video. If you did like this video, just go ahead and give the video a like for me. On that note, guys, I'm out.